Did you know that in 2026, it's estimated that over 50% of office workers use Microsoft Excel daily, yet only a fraction of them are aware of a simple yet powerful function that can instantly generate a number series? Today, we'll uncover the Excel sequence function that's revolutionizing data analysis and making tasks more efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate a sequence of numbers instantly using Excel's sequence function. The sequence function was first introduced in Excel 365, and since then, it's gained popularity among data analysts and office workers. It's a game changer for tasks that involve generating a series of numbers, such as creating a list of months, quarters, or even a sequence of numbers with a specific increment. So, let's dive into the formula and start creating instant sequences in Excel. To use the sequence function, you'll need to enter the following formula. Equals sequence, rows, start, step,